Hey there, friends on YouTube. My name is Roger with Electronics and Gadgets. If this is your first time here, thanks for stopping by. Hit the like and subscribe, please. If you've been here before, thank you. For my next video, I'd like to do an unboxing and a review on the AstroAI tire inflator. Okay, so let's go ahead and start on unboxing. Here's the box. Gives you some details on front, sides, specs. Okay, let's go ahead and open it, and it's just wrapped in the typical bubble wrap. Nothing else in the box. This is the actual unit. And we have a warranty card and a small manual, a couple languages I think. Okay, so here's the compressor, and there's nothing there except a warning about the protective film. That's the front. Top has the different, those are different LEDs and the power turning it on. So we'll go ahead and we'll take the cord out, and you have room. Of course, there's the plug on the end. There's the different accessories that all go inside of it, and then there's also the cigarette plug adapter cord, which is fairly long. I'm going to go into the specs on this later on. This is just an unboxing now, but I was shocked how long the cable is. And let's go ahead and put that back. Cord goes back around. It's all nice and tidy. It doesn't have stuff laying all over the place. It all fits into one unit. That's really it. A bit. It's fast inflation and easy operation. The air pump's high quality cylinder delivers 25 L/min inflation, filling a tire from 30 to 36 in just 1 minute. Easy operation, quick installation. Make sure that you follow all the air compressor to cool off for a while after 15 minutes of continuous operation. This is the neat part. It has auto shut off. So the compressor will automatically shut off once it reaches the preset value. So you tune in the value you want, you put the end on, you push the button on the top, and it will inflate whatever to the set inflation. So its convenient design leads to an easy inflation experience. Ultra long power cable and compact. A 12-foot long power cord gives easy access to the front and rear tires, saving you time and energy. The compressor's compact size allows it to easily store anywhere in the vehicle. Even though it's compact, the air compressor delivers fast inflation. LED light and real-time digital screen. The air compressor is equipped with LED lights that provide illumination in dim environments. This lets the user simultaneously read the screen and inflate at night. With real-time pressure readouts on your screen, you can easily manage the inflation process and make adjustments. And then it comes with multifunctional nozzles. It's equipped with 3 nozzles and 1 extra fuse. It includes nozzles to help air compressors inflate a wide variety of products, from tires on compact to mid-size sedans, SUVs, motorcycles, motorbikes, pretty much anything. Found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. And until next time, I'm out.